Looking for a third-party pharma manufacturer? Consider these 13 undeniable reasons how we at Bajaj Formulations have helped our customers completely kill competition and increase their profits. Hi, my name is Amit Bajaj. I am the business head of Bajaj Formulations. We are a WHO certified pharmaceutical formulation unit based in Roorkee. In the past 13 years, we have helped over 2,500 companies increase their business from 37% to over 500%. In this video, I will share with you 13 specific points that has helped Bajaj Formulation offer the best of services to its clients. First, we are the only company in India and arguably in the world that has an automatic software based system to give production status to its customers by way of SMS, WhatsApp and email. So अगर आप हमें ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली उसका वेरियस स्टेजेस पे स्टेटस पता चलता रहता है. Second, no false promises. Since the product status in our company is given by an automatic software, nobody in Bajaj Formulations can make a false promise to you. Third, no follow-ups. Because our software automatically sends you an SMS, email and WhatsApp at each stage of production, you don't need to follow up with us by making us regular calls and emails to know your status. And you can spend your time more productively concentrating on your business development rather than follow-up and coordination with the manufacturer. Fourth, timely deliveries. Since our entire production from taking the order to dispatch is an integrated system by software, you get the deliveries on time and you don't have to face the problem of shortages, nor you have to keep extra stock with you, and you can invest that money more wisely into the business. Fifth, we are a WHO certified company and also offer small batches. There are very few companies in the country who offer small batches and are WHO certified. So you can get your products manufactured and compete with any multinational in the market in front of your doctors based on the quality standards because we are WHO certified. Sixth, we are the only company that can give customer references to our new clients. मतलब अगर कोई नया कस्टमर हमें ऑर्डर देना चाहता है और उसको ये डर है कि वो सही जगह जुड़ रहा है या नहीं जुड़ रहा, we can provide you with our customers' numbers. You can talk to them and have a first-hand experience of their experience with Bajaj Formulation. The benefit of this is you are sure before placing your order that you are associating with the right company. Seventh, we give 100% revert and reply to all the emails, SMS, WhatsApp and telephones. So you don't have to continuously follow us up or call us. You can just call us and either we'll answer your call or maybe get back to you as soon as the phone is free. 8. Even if you order one product to us, you will be treated equally because Hamara system is a software based system where we cannot differentiate between a customer who has got more than 100 products or one product. 9. We offer a free IMS system to our customers worth rupees 5 lakhs. In this system, this is a kind of a mini software that we give to our clients where they can manage their stock levels and prevent having shortages in the market. 10th, we invite all our customers to come and visit our factory and see firsthand how the medicines are manufactured. Our customers can also bring their doctors along to build faith and confidence in the manufacturing. 11th, we offer a variety of services under one roof like tablets, capsules, syrups, injectables, dry syrup, protein powders, soft gelatins, sachets and even Ayurvedic preparations. So you don't have to deal with a number of manufacturers for completing your requirements. 12th, our dedicated packaging unit only manufactures packaging material for our company and it is also integrated to our software. So the deliveries and quality standards of the packaging unit are completely controlled by us. And finally, the 13th, we are the only company that educates our customers, gives them regular updates by way of videos, articles, updates. And also we are the only company in India that has written a book on pharma manufacturing which helps its clients to understand the future business perspective of pharma industry from the manufacturing point of view. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get latest updates about Bajaj Formulations and the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you.